In this video we'll be seeing the microcontroller 8051 board with some of the experiments. So the first experiment is LCD interface. Coming to the board, this is 8051 microcontroller which has 4 ports. So ports are connected here: port 1, port 2, port 3 and port 4. Similarly, you have onboard reset. This is the onboard reset pin of the 8051 microcontroller. This interface is used for LCD connection. So this is our LCD which gets, it's like a plug and play instrument which gets connected on this port. Now looking at the pin diagram, some of the pins of this LCD are already connected, internally connected to the port of the microcontroller, and should be by default coded on those pins, otherwise it will not work. So coming to the pin diagram of the 8051 microcontroller, you can see these are the pins: port 0, port 1, port 2 and port 3. So these are the ports of the controller, and this is the LCD interface which is on the PCB layout. So if you see the pins of this LCD, these are by default connected to port 3.7, 3.6 and 3.5, which is the control pins of the LCD, pin number 4, 5 and 6. So while coding, you have to make sure the coding is done on these pins itself, 3.7, 3.6 and 3.5. Otherwise the control pins will not work properly, your data will not get transferred properly. Coming to the data port, the data pins of the LCD, which you have 8 pins of the data, all should be by default coded on port 2, which is all the pins of port 2, port 2.0, port 2.1, port 2.2 up to port 2.7. So port 2 you should be giving your data, and pin 3.7, 3.6 and 3.5 should be given the control pins 4, 5 and 6 of the LCD. So this is the basic interface. Now we'll see the code and how we can run this experiment on the hardware.